So now in this video we'll be working on our explore screen, right? So we'll show some content in here, right? Okay. So now in this screen I want to make a little cards which will show trending, gaming like we have in our YouTube, right? Okay. Let's make that. For that we'll be making a separate component, and I will be getting that component in this file only, right? Okay. Let's create const, and I will give it a name of little card, right? card, and that will be an arrow function like so. Okay, and inside that it will return JSX, and we can here write view like so, right? So on this view will have a text, right? Text, and for now let's here say hello, right? For now let's say hello. Okay, we'll be giving this little bit style to this view, right? So add a style, and right, so let's add a color. So color, or not color, maybe background color, and that will be, let's say, red. Okay, and we'll add a width to this card, right? So width will be, let's say, 120, right? Okay, we'll add a little border radius, right? So add border radius, BORDER, radius, and let's say 4, right? Yeah, this is it for now, and let's work on this text now, right? So let's give this also a style. So I'll be giving this style. I'll align text to center, so text align and center, and I will add a color to this text, and that will be white, right? Yeah, I think I will add font size as well, font size, and that will be, let's say, 22, right? And to use that we need to import, we can use this like so. We can just write a little card, and I can self close it. Let's have a look how it looks like. So we have this right now. We can get rid of this text, right? We won't want that, and if we save this, we are getting a little card, and it is beautiful. We have this radius from the borders, right? Okay, so I want to duplicate that one more. I will be, for what I will be doing first is I'll be increasing the width, let's say to 180, right? Yeah, okay, now it is looking good. And I will also be adding height, little bit height to this. So let's say height of 50, right? Let's have a look now. Okay, I will add also a margin top to this text, right? So I will also add margin top, and that will be, let's say, 5 for now. Let's save this, and now it is looking decent. Now I want to duplicate the cards. I want to align 2 cards on this first row. I want to align 2 cards on the second row. I want to align 2 cards on the third row, right? So what I will be doing, I will be duplicating the cards, right? So I will be duplicating the cards. If I save this, now here you can see all the cards are aligned column wise, but I want 2 cards to be on the row, and I want 2 cards to be on the second row. I want 2 cards to be on the third row. So I need 6 cards, 1 2 3 4 5. I need one more card. I will put all these cards inside a separate view, right? And I will move all the cards inside this separate view, right? Okay, I will give a little bit tab to this all. Oh, not like this, tab like so. Okay, let's save this. Right now I will changing the default direction to row, right? I want 2 cards to be on the first row, and 2 cards to be on the second row, and 2 cards to be on the third row. For that, let's try to change the default direction to row. Let's see what happens. If I do this, now you can see, no, we don't want to add flex direction here. We want to add flex direction to this view, right? Yeah, style, 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 flex direction, and let's add row. If we save this and have a look, then as you can see, all the cards are being aligned row wise, but the second card is not starting from the next line, right? Oh, this third card is not starting from the next line, right? Our cards have been overflown, right? Our card is moving out of the screen, right? Now I want this third card to start from the next line, right? Okay, so for that, here we have a special prop in here, and we can give a flex wrap, 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 and I can give this to wrap. Flex wrap is equal to wrap. Now if I save this, now all the cards will start from the next line, right? Now this is amazing. This is beautiful, right? Now I want to add a little bit space between those cards. For that I can use justify content, right? So here I can add justify justify content, and I want to add space around. Let's save this and have a look. Oh, it is looking beautiful, right? I can add little margin from the top side to the card, right? So here I can add margin top, right? So let's add margin top from, let's say, of 10. Let's have a look. And it is looking beautiful. It is looking beautiful. Now let's change this text dynamically. It makes this text dynamically. For that I will be receiving here prop, right? Or I can restructure out the title TITLE, or I can write her name. Let's write her name. We need to pass that name right from here. So let's pass. So name, I will pass that name, and let's say it will have GAMMING gaming, right? And I will copy this, Control C, Control V. This will be trending, TRENDING, trending. And then let's give one more name. Let's say music. Then we will have, let's say, news, right? So we can give here NEWS, news. And then we can give movies, right? MOVIES, right? And then here we can write fashion, like so, right? And here I can now make text dynamic. So I am receiving this name from here, so I can here type name in the brackets, right? And if I save this, now our text should be dynamic. Gaming, trending, music, news, movies, fashion. Okay, now let's display here the cards, right, which we are putting all the cards on central. So let's display here those all cards here on this screen as well. Okay, for now, first let's here add text, right? Text, and let's here write maybe trending videos, right? So we can add trending videos text. So let's add text, right, just to show the content on some content on stream, trending videos. And I will give a style to this as well, right? So I will give this margin little bit, margin of, let's say, 8, and I will give a font size to this of 22, and I would give is a border bottom width, border border bottom width, and to 1. If I save this and have a look, and it is showing this trending videos. Now I can show the cards. So I can just go to home screen. Where is my home screen? I can copy this flat list, Control C, right? And where is my explore screen? I can paste it in here, right? Control V, and let's give this little tab. Okay, I can import the flat list, right? And I need to import a card, right? This card component, right? So let's go to home screen, and let's copy this line, Control C, and let me paste it in here, Control V, like so. If I save this, let's have a look. I can't find variable card data. Okay, so I need to make use of use selector, right? So yeah, let's go to again home screen, and we'll be copying use selector, Control C. I will be pasting it in here, Control V, and I will be going and I will be copying this, Control C, and I can paste it in here, Control V, right? Let's save this, and if you have a look on this explore tab, can't find variable card data. Why is that a case? Oh, we have this defined card data in this little Control X. We need to put this in this explore component instead. If I save this now, it should work, right? If I go to this explore screen now, here we can see trending videos, right? Okay, this is amazing, right? This is amazing. Okay, So I'm happy with now what I'm seeing here, right? So this is scrollable, and these are not scrollable. We can make this entire view scrollable if we put this in the scroll view, right? We can do that as well. Let's try that. Let's try to put all the inside the scroll view, and let's try to put all this content after the header. SCRO scroll view, and let's grab this ending tag, Control X, and let's put it in here, Control V. Let's have a look now. Now we can scroll everything, right? This is okay. This is more better approach. We should be able to scroll this as well. Okay, so it is nice. I am loving this, right? If you want, you can increase the max result from 10 to 20, let's say, in the search component, right? Yeah, this one if you want, but 10 is okay, right? 10 is fine for us. So this is looking nice, right? Explore skin is also looking nice. Now I think this is it for now. I'll be working on video player on the next video, and I will leave this sub component as it is, right? I will not be working, right? If you want, you can show all this video in the sub screen as well, right? Okay, so I'm loving what I'm building, right? So hope you are also loving this what we are building, right? This project is amazing, right? Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll be working on the video player screen. Let's say if we click on this any video, we should be able to play that video, right? We'll be navigating to video player screen, and we should be able to play that video. So I will see you guys in the next video. So bye bye.